Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I support Mr. Huizenga's bill, H.R. 4790, the Prioritizing Economic Growth Over Woke Policies Act, and I thank him and Chairman McHenry for their leadership on this issue. In particular, I'd like to highlight my bill within this larger package. It's called the Stop Executive Capture of Banking Regulators Act. End quote. This bill requires the Federal Reserve, this bill applies to a requirement to the Federal Reserve, the OCC, the FDIC, the NCUA, and the FHFA to report to Congress when they plan to implement a non-binding recommendation from an executive order or FSOC. All the regulators I just listed are independent, and independent regulators are supposed to act according to their respective expertise. They shouldn't just adopt recommendations from the President or Treasury without their own due diligence. This bill says that if they do choose to implement a non-binding directive from the executive branch, they should tell Congress and the American people what they're planning to do and why. That's a common sense requirement. Frankly, this shouldn't be a partisan issue. I yield back.